In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically assign roles in Discord. So if you want to make it so that when someone joins your Discord server, they'll automatically be assigned a role, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. Now, first thing we need to do is go and click on your server from this left-hand navigation. You can then click on your server name in the top left-hand side and click on server settings. You then need to select roles, and the first thing we need to do is create the role that we want to auto assign. So we're going to click create role. You can then go and give your role a name. You can also select a role color as well. Decide whether you want to add an image, and then you can click on permissions. You can then go and set up all of the different permissions for this role and click on save changes. You can then head back over to your Discord server. Now go and open up an internet browser, and from the address bar type in carl.gg and press enter. You can then select login with Discord, scroll down to the bottom and click on authorize. You can then select the Discord server you want to add this to, scroll down, make sure the correct server is selected and click on continue. Make sure all of these roles are selected and then click on authorize. Click on I am human and Carlbot should now be added to your server. We can click on this skip button. So let's head back over to our Discord server and you should now be able to see Carlbot in your server. You can then click on your server name and click on server settings. Click back on roles, and now we need to move Carlbot to the top of these roles just by dragging it upwards like so. You then need to click on the pencil icon next to Carlbot, click on permissions, and make sure manage roles is selected like this and click on save changes. You can then come back over to your internet browser and then click on auto roles in the left hand side. You can then click on the drop down arrow and you should be able to find your role from this list and click on save. Now the next time someone joins your Discord server, they'll automatically be assigned this role.